If you pick up any of these 11 situations wrong, you will fail your driving test. In this video, I'm going to drive and take you through these 11 situations where many learners, they pick up serious faults. Hopefully, by watching this video, you will learn and you will pass and you won't fail on those situations. Let's start the lesson. So how are you going to move off now? Take a deep breath. Go to D, handbrake off. So you got the brake on. You want to D, handbrake off. Done. Make sure your foot is on the brake. Now look around. Blind spot. Signal, because I've got people, car. Okay, there's nobody behind. Blind spot again. Let the brake go. Car starts to go. Blind spot again. And give gas. Go. Make sure the blind spot, really important. Many they miss that. When you're moving off, make sure the blind spot is checked. Next road on the right. Mirror, mirror. Signal right. Cover the brake, brake gently. Just brake gently. Look ahead. Anyone coming? Look into the road. Don't cut the corner. Done. New road, mirror, give gas. As soon as you enter new road, mirror, just relax. At the end of the road, we will be going right. Mirror, mirror, signal right. Speed start 30 now. Can you see? 30. 20 before, now 30. Okay. Can't see anything, so I go to the line and then I edge. No one coming, go to my side and then I steer. Don't steer too early. When you go to the end and you want to go right, go to your side and then steer. Mirror. Traffic light will be going left. Mirror, mirror, going to be going left. Signal is going to be around here, left. Okay. Position, left lane. And don't go too close to the red car, around here. Keep the distance from the car in front. Not too close, not too far. If you go any closer than that, and if they break down, you're not going to be able to go around. So you need to keep some distance from the car in front. Okay? That's what the examiner is looking for. Remember, the examiner is not looking for how skillful you are. They are looking for how safe you are. Are you safe on the road? Are you safe for yourself and for others? That's what they're looking for, okay? I'm going to go left. We've already talked about that. You've already given the instructions. The examiner is already giving you the instruction, so you know. So make sure you remember to go left. Look ahead. Look into the road before you go in. Look at the mirror just in case there's a bike. Go slowly. The red car is going slowly. Okay? Mirror and go. Okay, done. Traffic light is red, so before you brake, mirror, cover the brake and let the car roll. Don't do anything, just let it roll. Now start braking. Brake, brake, brake. And you go to the line gently. So you don't want to come at the end and brake hard. So over there, what did I do? Release the gas, cover the brake, let it roll. Car was slowing down slowly, automatically, right? And near to the end, gently, gently brake, and then brake hard at the end. Not brake hard in the beginning. You don't want to do that. It's not good for the braking, and it's not good for the test. Okay? You wait. Your foot is on the brake, both hands on the wheel, and relax. Done. You wait with the brake on, both hands on the wheel. Done. Make sure the brake is firm. You don't want to move the car. Okay? You don't want to move the car to just creep. As soon as you release the brake, the car is going to start to creep. You don't want that. You want to make sure your brake is firm so the car doesn't move, okay? So while you are waiting, make sure it's not too soft on the brake. Otherwise, you're just going to creep. You don't want that, okay? I'm going to follow the road. Look at the road markings and see which lane do we need. Which lane do we need? We need this lane. It's always the left lane to go straight. In this case, road marking tells you this is only left. We're not going left, are we? The examiner didn't say to go left. So basically, you have to look at the road markings and drive in the lane that it should drive, okay? Normally, it's the left lane to go straight unless road marking tells you otherwise. In this case, to go straight, we needed the right lane, okay? How did we know that? Look on the floor, look for the road markings, okay? On the right, next road on the right, mirror, mirror, signal is going to be right. That's the road. We could see the car coming out. We know that's the road. Okay, look ahead. There's a car coming. Okay, and around here, there's another car coming. We're going to stop around here when we see the middle line. Okay, mirror, mirror, and the car is telling us, okay, okay, don't just go. Remember, they had the priority. Now, because they flashed, look into the road, make sure it's safe for you to go. Don't just go, okay? So in this case, the car flashed. What does that mean? They're telling you they're there, which means you do your own check, make sure the road that you're going in is safe for you to go, and then go. Is that okay? This is really important, especially in the test. Just because they're telling you to go, don't just go. Because the road that you go in, if there's somebody crossing the road there, then you're going to be in trouble. You will fail your test. So look into the road, make sure the road that you want to go in is clear. Just because they're telling you to go, it doesn't mean you just go without looking. Okay? Stop somewhere safe on the left, mirror, mirror, and signal around here. Brake a little, brake, 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 and around here. Good. You put the brake on. Okay, done. So the examiner says stop somewhere safe on the left. There was a road there, wasn't it? We couldn't signal before that road. We had to stop after the road, which meant we couldn't signal before the road. This is important. Make sure if there's a road next to or near where you're going to stop. Basically, if you're going to stop after a road, don't signal before the road. Signal after. And then when you do stop, make sure it is safe for you to stop, not too close to the junction, not there's a driveway and all that, okay? Make sure it is safe. So it is safe and you stopped. Done. Now the examiner is saying move off. Okay? So how do you move off? Look around. Look at the blind spot. I'm going to signal. Blind spot again. You just let the brake go and give gas. Blind spot one more time. The blind spot. Okay? The blind spot. Many, they fail because they don't check the blind spot before moving off. Okay? At the end, we will go right. Mirror, mirror. Signal is going to be right. Okay, right. We can't see anything, so we go to the line and we stop here. And we edge. We can't see because of the parked car. So what do? We edge. And now we know. Good. So when you go to the end of the road and your view is restricted because of parked cars on both sides, what do? You just creep. How do you creep? You just let the brake go and the car will creep. Just the brake, control the brake, no gas needed. Just off brake and the car will creep. Done. And then once you've gone to the place where you could see clearly, that's when you go. Okay? So if you go to the end and you can't see, don't just go by guessing. Okay? You're going to go right, next road. Mirror, mirror. Signal is going to be right. Right. Okay. Okay. Look ahead. Look into the road and don't cut the corner. Okay, good. Look into the road. Mirror. Good. Was it good turning? Make sure the turnings are excellent. You look ahead, look into the road, and think about the corner, and make sure the road is safe for you to go in, and you go in. Done. Traffic light is red. Okay? So because I know it's red, mirror, off gas, cover the brake. I'm not doing anything. Okay? Now start braking slowly. Slowly brake. Brake, brake, brake. Now brake a little bit harder. Release the brake a bit. Let the car roll. Let it roll. And brake again to stop. Keep the distance from the car. Mirror, mirror, mirror. Let the brake go and carry on. Done. Hi, if you are learning to drive or you are training to become a driving instructor, we have an online course for you. So if you're a learner, we have an online course for you for manual and automatic. And if you're training to become a driving instructor, we have an online course for you for your ADI Part 2 and ADI Part 3. Please check the description for the links of the courses. Have a look and have a read. If you like it, you could always join the course. So these are the 11 situations where many learners, they pick up serious fault. Hopefully you have them now. You have these 11 situations where you could watch and learn, and hopefully you won't fail your test in these situations. Hope the video helps. If it does, please do give a thumbs up. Please do make a comment what you think of the video, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.